Our burgers have just come out and they are massive. Check this out.
It's heavy.
There's people queuing down the street for this place. Must be good. Wonder what the cuisine is. That's crazy that people are queuing to get in. Buonasera from Sorrento. Just got ready and we're coming out for dinner now. Oh, she's busy taking pictures with the flowers. Match your dress. So we had a really nice day today in Capri. I would definitely recommend it if you're in Sorrento or on the Amalfi Coast area. So we're on our way now. We found a place online. It's meant to do really nice burgers. It's called Golden River Pub or something like that. There's people queuing down the street for this place. Must be good. And for that one. Wonder what the cuisine is. Let's go have a look. That's crazy that people are queuing to get in. So the initial place me and Kit were going to go to for dinner was actually closed. So we've come to this place called Beer Steak. And it's apparently they've got really good meats, like pork ribs, burgers, steaks, things like that. I've got myself a local beer. It's got a code. Salute. The local beer is nice. I'm not even sure what it's called. He just said it was a local draft beer, so I'll find out. Our burgers have just come out and they are massive. Check this out.
I don't know how to tackle it again.
It's got to be a knife and fork job, isn't it?
I'm gonna try it.
You're gonna go for it?
Oh.
Go on, ladies first. Taste test.
It's heavy.
Is it good? Good burger, yeah?
Yeah.
The fries here seem to come out. They're more like a cross between fries and crisps, isn't they? Potato chips if you're American. That's what they seem to be like. They're good though.
This is very nice.
Is it good? Right, I'm going to try now.
Push it down.
Right, let's try this out. Yeah, it's really good. Right, that burger is insane. I'm going to have that. Kids can have hers, enjoy it. I'll tell you what we're doing after that. Burger smashed. Banging that was, wasn't it? Out of 10?
Solid 8.5.
8. Yeah. Yeah, it was really nice burger.
Very full. I know I'm still eating, but I have a habit of picking, so.
So yeah guys, if you're in Sorrento and you want a nice burger, or steak or ribs, come to this place. Beer Steak. Because it was banging.
And it's a little bit out the way from all your typical tourist restaurants as well, which is quite nice actually.
Yeah, it is.
You know, we're gonna head. Don't get me wrong, we're heading there after this to get drinks and dessert, but it's quite nice just to be out a bit sometimes. Isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Like Kit just said, we're away from the main tourist drag, so we're a couple of streets. There's a main street that runs through Sorrento, and this is like up and round. It's a bit quieter here. And we're going back down to the main street to go to some bars and stuff after, since it's Kit's birthday. Il conto per favore. Grazie. Really nice meal here. Grazie mille. Arrivederci. Mi piace. Yeah, it was banging, that was. Really nice burger. Probably my favourite meal I've had since I've been here. I'll be honest.
Really?
Yeah, it was good.
It was nice.
Nice change, wasn't it? We're going to make our way back in towards the main square. We're going to get some ice cream, and we are going to go to a bar, have a couple of drinks, and we get swap inside some roadside. I fancy a pistachio ice cream or something like that.
We love a pistachio ice cream, don't we, Jackie?
Yeah, the ice cream in Italy has been really nice. Really good ice cream.
These my bag to cover my food, baby.
We'll definitely leave that place a good review on TripAdvisor because they are really nice. The waiters in there.
What's his name?
Pasquale, wasn't it?
Joe Pasquale.
Yeah, like Joe Pasquale, that's how you remember it. Back in the main square. It's pretty lively in here tonight, isn't it? We're just going to go get some gelato now or some ice cream. Yeah, proper nightlife scene. Buonasera. So we just got back to the apartment.
Hotel.
So we just got back to the hotel after making our way back from the square and having a nice evening in Sorrento. We got an ice cream further away from the square towards our hotel because we found that it's a little slightly cheaper than it was around the square area.
A lot cheaper.
The thing I've really enjoyed here, Sorrento as a whole. It's a really nice place. So far I'm having a great time. It's definitely not the cheapest place, like I said, so keep that in mind. It is a really nice place though, nevertheless.
I say Rome and Naples were cheaper than here.
Yeah, Napoli definitely as well.
Yeah.
Napoli was really nice. Good place. Yeah, so we just sat in the room now chilling. You had a nice evening, babe?
We have.
Good.
That burger was really nice.
Yeah,
We
burger
had
was
a
good.
nice walk. And now, I'm not going to lie, I'm so happy to be in bed because I'm so tired from all the walking.
We're going to go a couple of pubs on the way back, but everywhere seems to be shut.
Today.
It's really
yeah.
strange. I'm not sure. What day is it today? Tuesday night? I'm not sure.
There's a few restaurants that were open yesterday that are closed today.
Yeah,
have been all
and a
day.
few busy bars that we're going to
Yeah.
go to tonight,
One
and they
that
were
we went
closed.
to yesterday, that was closed as well.
I do prefer where we are located, like by the square. It's tourist chaos.
Yeah,
Down by the
it's
square
so
is
busy.
rammed. It's absolute chaos down there. It's like I said, it's very touristy here.
Yeah.
You can see why you get a lot of tourists though, because it is a beautiful place.
It is beautiful, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad our hotel is where it is and it's just
Yeah.
a bit out of the way.
And the hotel is lovely, run by Tony and Maria, the couple that run this hotel. They're really nice. They can't do enough for you, can they?
Yeah,
they're
they're really
very,
fun.
very friendly. So I'd definitely recommend if you're coming to Sorrento, stay here in Il Rosetto. I got it for a good price as well, this hotel.
Did you?
Yeah, it was good.
I'm excited to actually enjoy it a bit more tomorrow because we're going to have a nice pool day. Because it's meant to be really sunny tomorrow, so we're going to make the most of this hotel, which I'm excited about, and finally just relax a bit.
I'm looking forward to breakfast. The breakfast here is good, isn't it?
Oh yeah, the fresh orange juice and the cappuccino.
Straight
and
off the tree.
pastries. Yeah.
Orange juice from the oranges, straight off the tree out the back.
Yeah, we saw her bringing a bucket of oranges from their tree over earlier to make fresh orange juice. Probably the freshest orange juice I've ever had.
Right, we're going to go to bed now, guys, and we'll show you more what we're up to tomorrow. Buonanotte, arrivederci, ciao.